Thank you very much. For the last 5 minutes, I've been thinking about if we are. 5 minutes ago, I thought we were an agency. Maybe we are a studio because it seems more flexible. Just a short introduction. I founded Lared in 2009. When we were started out, we were thinking about being a company that only works for agencies, for classical agencies, and helping them with their digital execution. What happened is that a lot of real clients came up to us and asked us to work for them. By now we are situated in Hamburg and Berlin. We're 12 people working for pretty big brands like Kia, eBay, Merck USA, which is a big pharma company. And, but still we are working for some agencies as, for example, Dokyo, and we're doing X with them. And I have 3 aspects of our DNA. The first one is that what we do is truly digital. We believe in digital. We focus on digital communication, and we don't try to be a one-stop shop. We don't want to be something really big. We want to do good digital communication, and you will see a few slides of projects we've done in the past, and yeah, what we usually do is we do a lot of microsites, we do a lot of Facebook apps, we do mobile communication, and our strength is that if a client wants to do a digital campaign and really get it realized over certain channels and a lot of channels, then we will manage that for them, and they will have. We will try to, in pretty short time, we'll try to set stuff up that really engages people and gets them into everything and gets them happy. So this is just some shots. And the second part of our DNA is that in our heart, since we have people that work for us have both been working in classical agencies and digital agencies, we try to reflect that in our organization and in our projects. So we sort of try to do a best of both worlds communication. On the one hand, we try to use the strengths and qualities that are represented by more classical and advertising agencies, like e.g. Understanding the brands, like their creative ambition, their love for detail, their storytelling skills, humor, easiness, and on the other hand, the strengths that are more related to digital agencies, like strategy, their love for innovation, and their ability to adapt to new trends and to new innovative stuff, their project management skills, and of course the technology knowledge. So what we try to, as a studio, try to really be in the middle of those 2 trends. And the third aspect of our DNA is, and this is really what we're going to talk about later, is that from the beginning on we sort of embraced the new working cultures. We didn't deny that a lot of people in our age and people working in digital, in the digital sector, want to have a more free life, don't want to work from 9 to 9 in agencies. They want to have, they want to work as freelancers, build little companies. There are a lot of young entrepreneurs which are starting, and what we try is to really, within the organization, to reflect that, actually without the client getting to know that, because in the end, the client is never interested in how you solve his problems. He wants his problems to be solved. So we wouldn't ever talk to a client and tell him, hey, we use super molecular stuff, people, and have tons of different people working for us. And in the end, you will get a good result. We will always tell them the result. So, but as a fact, we work. We are more a layer of people that work fixed for us, which are on the one hand consultants, on the other hand creatives, and then we work with a network of freelancers and small companies. For example, we don't have any technology people in our house. We rather work together with them in distinct projects. And Steffen asked me to do a really quick one. The last thing I'm going to show is the latest case we did for Axe, which was in December, and thank you very much.
The Axe Excite Advent Calendar, an interactive video-based calendar, the like of which has never been seen before. Our challenge was, how can we create an Advent calendar with content guys love to watch every single day, right through to Christmas? The idea? We left it to the guys out there in front of their PCs to pick a subject for a daily film, and we took it from there, every single day. So every day, they made hundreds of weird suggestions. Every day, thousands of users voted for their favorite via the website and banners. Every day, our team tackled a challenge to create an entertaining script. And every day, we shot a witty and sexy film starring a heavenly axe angel. The result? 24 user-generated films in 24 days. To pull in even more users, we told the world what we were up to. On TV, on the streets, in banners, in blogs, and on Facebook. And it worked. In just 6 weeks, the Axe Excite Advent Calendar generated over 8 million views and more than 2.5 million visits. Thanks, guys.
So, thank you, Matthias.